My name is Tom Arboneaux. I am the Ascent Abort 2 Fabrication Lead. I'm responsible for all fabrication on the Ascent Abort 2 project. We have a multitude of people that support us. The initial vehicle you're looking at was originally constructed to be Ascent Abort 1. And then when that program was canceled, later on they decided that they were going to build an Ascent Abort 2 vehicle. And so we repurposed our old vehicle, and part of that is changing the outer mold line. The angle of the skin has changed, and our loads have increased. So we had to add additional structure internally and install it. So there was a lot of design, engineering, manufacturing, along with installation. And we used every asset we had to make that happen. This facility is our heavy fabrication welding shop. It is adjacent to the hangar here at Langley. And this is where all of the welding, heavy metal work all takes place. As you see, the structure that this crew module is sitting on was all built here. The guys did all of the cutting, welding, assembly, fabrication in here to do the support for this crew module. These guys are instrumental in manufacturing all the ground support equipment that gets to where we are now. So we have not just the crew module itself, but all of the support hardware. The support hardware was all built here by these guys. We're not through yet though. We have a lot more hardware, and actually there's more flight hardware that we're building. We're getting ready to start construction on that next month. And that is for the separation ring, and that is where the crew module actually attaches to the vehicle. So that'll be built here at Langley. Those parts are also in process of being manufactured, and as soon as we get all of them in-house, first week of March, we're supposed to start construction of that. This vehicle leaves from here. It goes to Johnson. At Johnson, they do all of the instrumentation. Leaves Johnson, it travels to Plumbrook, Ohio for some more testing. After it leaves Plumbrook, it is shipped down to Kennedy, where they do the actual integration into the launch vehicle, and that's where it's launched from. I'm just one cog in the wheel. We have a lot of great guys working on this. I'm just one of many. So I've been excited to do this. This will probably be my highlight of my career when I do retire one day. So, but it's been a lot of fun.